It's now time to create your budget. What stage of life are you in? Are you just starting out? Are you a young family, mature family, near retirement or in retirement? Whoever you bank with will probably have some sort of online banking tool. I know, I use RBC and Coast Capital. Both of them have kind of an online budgeting platform that you can work with. But areas that we've noticed are easy to cut down are utilities and cell phone bills. A 10-minute phone call and just asking, do you have a better deal for me? Highly, highly, highly recommend an accountability partner in your budget. It could be a spouse, a friend, a coworker, a partner, whoever it is. If your income is over $50,000, you want to be using a Rrsp because it provides a tax deduction for you. The whole idea is to build wealth, is to build your retirement nest egg, is to pay off your debt, which in turn increases your net worth through your equity in your home. So I encourage everyone to go through and build out their balance sheet, and that will show you what you're worth today. Debt, as we know, can also be a killer of friendships, killer of your job, marriages. So it has a trickle-down effect into every aspect of your life. When you get a raise next year, does it mean you're spending more or you're saving more? Or maybe a bit of both. With online grocery shopping, you go in with your list and you come out with only your list. So impulse buying on average costs the average family of 4 people $30 to $50 every single week. If you're under $50,000, your marginal tax rate, and I'll go over that in a second, but your marginal tax rate is too low that putting money into an RSP doesn't make a whole lot of sense. So you want to use a TFSA at that point. And that's where my big thing is. If you don't have cash for something, that means you can't afford it. You don't buy it. Other than a house. The house is the one thing. Go get a mortgage. It's fairly low interest rates and it's a growing asset. It's a good debt. We've used envelope budgets for a lot of our clients. It's basically every month you put how much cash for each, spending category in an envelope, and that's how much you get for the month. So once you're out of money, you're out of money. Bad debts that we see, car loans are the #1 killer. We see people with, financing and lease vehicles all the time. It is the #1 killer of your retirement plan. Budget's much like a New Year's resolution. It sounds exciting, it's fun to create, but it's only successful if you follow it through.